Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore Wrike dashboards after permission revamp, complete guide step by step clearly. To restore your Wrike dashboards after a permission revamp, start by logging into your Wrike account. Navigate to the dashboard section in the left sidebar. Select the dashboard you want to restore from the list. Verify if you still have access to the dashboard. If access is lost, check with your Wrike administrator to confirm your permissions. Ask them to review the updated permissions related to the dashboard. Once you have confirmed your access, click on the three dots in the upper right corner of the dashboard. From the drop-down menu, select Edit Dashboard. Make any necessary adjustments to the dashboard layout. You can add or remove widgets as needed. To add a widget, click on the Add Widget button. Choose the type of widget you want from the available options. Configure the widget settings according to your requirements. If you need to restore a specific widget that was removed, select it from your saved widgets list. Reposition any widgets by dragging them to your desired location. After making your adjustments, click Save to keep the changes. Review the dashboard to ensure it meets your needs. If further modifications are needed, repeat the editing steps. Remember to communicate with your team regarding any changes made to the dashboard. By following these steps, you can effectively restore and customize your Wrike dashboards after a permission revamp. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.